gonna get it bad.
Oh, there's another one.
Don't
Beautiful
look down there
view.
at night. Don't look down that way at night.
And why not at night?
Because of the
Little creepy vibes.
yes. Just say that.
There might be. Over there.
See, all of us here were smart. We all wore boots except for Dad. Dad wore his sneakers.
But there's always a but.
Oh, so you gotta step on the rocks here. Oh, or you can just walk through them. Oh, that's cool. That works too, I guess. Oh, got another hop here. This one, you go into a little creek.
See.
Splash! Hey, hey, look at the little deer there. Stay right there. Yeah, here you go.
Where is it? Oh, it's turned off.
No, it's on. Just keep pointing it. You don't have to press it. Don't press it.
I want to.
Hey, Michael. Yeah, it's a beautiful one there. All right, get your butt back over here. We'll leave her be. Come here, Micah. Micah, come here, hand.
Don't do that. Do that.
All right.
That's a bridge. Be careful.
So we got to see a nice little deer today.
Yep.
We got a nice little bridge here. See, are there any trolls under?
Careful on this.
Nope, no trolls under.
Be careful.
Yep, be careful.
Nope.
Alright, give me your other hand. Good job.
How far did we get?
We're maybe a quarter of a mile.
Oh, that's not a dump. Right?
We made it a good bit.
Um,
WhiteOak Canyon Trail. Keep going straight. You got a nice little road here. Is this a service road? What?
Well, when there is World War III, Jeeps are going to be driving all around.
Horse trail. Yeah, that makes sense. No horses. Yeah, definitely horse trail. No horses. What are you thinking, Micah? You like it so far?
Yep.
Good.
you know what? Watch.
Hop. Boom.
See, as long as I'm driving somewhere smooth, I'm good. Relax.
Got a little doggy stick here. Walking stick. Well, that was a pretty. Oh look, got fungi.
Where's that? Where's the waterfall at?
We're getting there. Calm down. We're not gonna ask. Are we there yet? You're gonna hear it. You're gonna see it. Don't you worry.
Deer.
Deer? No more deer here.
No, that is a deer base.
Oh, deer base? Yeah, probably. The deer headquarters.
Yeah. Hey,
Well, if the deer headquarters would be anywhere, it's this right here.
Just a little twig in the ground.
hey,
That'd definitely be an
you know
ant's
what,
headquarters,
Asha?
though.
What?
That's a deer army base.
A deer army
Hey,
base?
Elisha,
Yeah.
Elisha, that's ant headquarters.
Ant headquarters?
Yep.
In a rock? They can't build their houses in a rock.
Nah, man, it's humongous. It probably doesn't even have an inside bottom.
You know, I've cut down a few trees in my life. Never had one fall on me.
Good. That's my brother.
We made it. We
We're
made it.
not like that.
Oh, what? Oh my God.
I do that because
He likes to. When he wants.
Well, whenever you spit, yeah, thank you. Just make sure you don't spit on me, please.
Our boots are good, man.
Yeah, our
Oh,
boots are holding us in.
nothing. Yeah.
And we got this sneak guy up here on the other hand.
Yeah, I like the anxiety and the anticipation. Like, am I on the right path?
Yeah.
What happens?
I keep looking for the trees with the blue marks, like this one up here. I go about 100 feet without seeing one. I'm like, oh God.
what's that?
Almost got caught. Some people behind us. That would have been an exciting adventure there.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. How you holding up back there, Leo?
It's good. It's ready to do a Fortnite dance.
Yeah.
Oh, look, here's stairs.
Stairs. Cool.
There's Oh my gosh, how did there?
Steep stairs. Ooh. Alright.
Good job, Mike.
Look at that thing right there. You might want to be careful on that, right?
Yeah, you definitely gotta be careful here. Yeah, have a nice water.
Oh yeah, you
Passing
want
under us.
something that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Comes right on through here. Right on down through there. Yeah, that's beautiful. Hello, how are you? Good. Alright, be careful going down here.
You.
We're here. Stop for a break. Clif Bar. Got my goodies in there. So please, Clif Bar, sponsor me. The beautiful energy break. Cheers. Break is finished. Everybody's full. Back again. Hydrated. Now we're back on our beautiful adventure. Searching for the falls. What do you say, Micah? You like it so far?
Yep.
Good. Leo, you like it so far?
Look right there. Yep.
Good.
See all that water? It's not a river. What it is from the top of the mountain. So when it rains, the water runs down the mountain, but it finds ridges and valleys and beds and trenches to flow through.
And we've been getting a lot of water.
It's a lot of water, and more flows to it, and more, and it has its own little bed that it goes
You
down.
want to be careful on the hills, right? You see how deep this hill is?
Yeah, gotta be careful.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, be careful.
I bit my ankle. Not right. Yeah?
So how muddy are you, Micah? I mean, turn around real quick. This is why you don't go running in a mud pile, alright? Okay, let's go.
I did a little bit of parkour, and I'm now currently on the rock. It's a pretty easy path, up and down. Pretty much just a straight shot.
I'm gonna get you.
Here you go. You hand it to me. Hey.
Hello, how are y'all? Great view here. Here's the down view. Oh, they got a nice little rock formation there. There's a good rushing fall here. No, we're not gonna walk across. Well, we may. It's a nice little walk here. This is a horse trail. Yeah, this is a horse trail.
Okay,
You have the water coming from up the mountain, flowing down. So we have a viewing spot. We come right up here. All right, stay behind me, Micah. Stay behind me, all right? Oh. All right, you stay right there, all right? Wow.
Hold on, Michael. Let me find a spot.
Whew. I'm not gonna lie, I'm clenching a little bit.
Huh?
I said I'm clenching a little bit. Wow. This is a beautiful spot. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but these falls here. It is huge. It is an enormous drop. I know you can't see it there, but that is a straight down shot. You got the tree canopy here. It is beautiful. We have this. The wall of rainwater falling down.
What the heck happened?
And then down here, we have another fall and more trail to go. Leo, how you doing?
What the heck
Micah? Micah, how are you?
Good.
the heck happened?
That's the rainwater coming down.
I'm gonna go under there.
Can you give me a picture?
Oh yeah. That's it. I got to experience it all. It was fun. It's coming from right up there, and it's going all along the rock into the end. Yeah, wash your hands, Micah. Get a sip. You can get closer. You're all good. It's not gonna hurt. It feels good. It's refreshing. Come on, Micah. You're already muddy. You might as well wash off. Heck no. Oh yeah. Oh, we have a beautiful opening here.
Oh yeah.
It is beautiful. I'm gonna make my way up and enjoy the beautiful scenes. We have the rushing water there going down a fall. And here we are enjoying it all, taking it in. Got my dad and my brothers here. There's the squirt. And right down there. Beautiful. And there's the family there. Now I gotta find a way to over there. Ooh. See y'all, wish me luck. Oh. We have another fall up the hood.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What do you say, Leo?
Well, kind of louder than the others.
Oh yeah, I agree with that. So we are here at the last official fall. Yeah, this one relative to me is this one's crazy. I'm gonna try to climb up here for this one. Here is the lovely falls at WhiteOak up at Skyland. Well, we are officially on our way back, and it is baby carrying time. I had him for about a mile. Now it's Dad's turn. I had the backpack, so it's only fair he has him. Yeah, hope I make it. See y'all. Well, we have officially made it. We started our hike at 1:30, and it is currently 6:10. The hike was originally only supposed to take about 4 hours. Yeah. So yeah, it's a it's a 5-mile round trip, about 3.5 hour hiking time, and yeah, we took about 5 hours, and we chilled, we relaxed. Actually, I think we did about 6 miles actually, so it wasn't too bad. Gonna end it. Peace out.